how to use iTunes to unlock your iPad. So in this video, I'll show you how to restore and recover your iPad. Now, first thing you need to do is head over to your computer. You can then open up your Start menu, search for the Microsoft Store and click on this window here. Now click on the search box at the top of the page and you need to search for Apple devices. You can then click on the Apple Devices app and then click on the blue Get button to download and install this onto your computer. Now, you used to be able to use iTunes to recover your iPad, but this is basically the replacement app by Apple that you'll need to use instead. Once you've downloaded the app, you can click on Open. You can then click on Start, and you'll be taken over to this screen here. Now, next thing you can do is head over to your iPad, and you'll need to grab a USB-C cable. Plug one end into the iPad and the other end into your computer or laptop. Now, once your iPad's connected to your computer, you need to press the following key combination. Quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you need to hold the lock screen button at the top of your iPad. Now continue to hold this button down even when the screen goes black, and after about 10 more seconds, you should see the recovery page appear like this. Now, if it doesn't work the first time round, you'll need to go and repeat this key combination. You can then head over to your computer and open up Apple devices. You should see this pop up that says there was a problem. Now, what you can do from here is click on Restore, and this is going to restore and unlock your iPad. So as you can see, everything from this iPad will be erased, and then your iPad will essentially be like a brand new device when you first purchased it from the store. So if you're happy to do this, press Restore and Update. And that's how to unlock an iPad using iTunes.